Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy things on Amazon with Cash App. Let's get started. Before you begin, you need to have your Cash App card set up. You don't need the physical card for this process, but it does need to be approved and active in your app. First, open your Cash App. On the bottom left of the home screen, tap on the icon that looks like a credit card. This will display your Cash App card. For security, the card details are hidden. To view them, tap the eyeball icon on the screen. This will reveal your full 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. Write these details down in a secure place, as you'll need all three pieces of information for the next steps. Once you have them, you're done with the Cash App portion. Now, open your Amazon app. On the bottom navigation bar, tap the person icon in the center. This will take you to your account menu. From the menu that appears, select Your Account. Scroll down until you find the Payments section, and then tap on Your Payments. Here, you'll see all your saved payment methods. To add a new one, tap the blue Add button with the plus sign in the top right corner. A menu will appear. Select Add a credit or debit card. Carefully enter the 16-digit Cash App card number, expiration date, and CVV code you saved earlier. Also, enter the name exactly as it appears on your Cash App card. After entering all the information, tap the Add and Continue button. You'll then need to verify the billing address associated with your Cash App account. Once you confirm the details, you'll see a confirmation that your payment method has been added. Your Cash App card is now successfully linked to your Amazon account. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply select your Cash App card as the payment method at checkout. The purchase amount will be deducted directly from your Cash App balance. And that is how you can buy things on Amazon with Cash App.